Hi guys, it's Zoe from Zoe's World, and today I'm here with
the special guest
named
Penny.
Yes, her name is Penny. Okay,
All right.
and today I'm going to be rating her stuffed
rating
animals. Yeah, stuffed animals too, but
yeah.
So here she is. Here's Penny. Yeah, this is Penny.
So yeah, here's the first one.
I personally don't like it. I personally don't like this one.
Her name's Specs, and she's a gray elephant.
I'll rate her a 2 out of 10.
A what?
I'll rate her a 4 out of 10 for you.
No, not just for me. This is just your personal opinion.
Oh, then 2 out of 10.
Next, we got Rainbow Pop.
10, obviously.
Okay. Next, we got Ellie.
Again, 2 out of 10.
I would give her a kiss if I got makeup on. So.
Yeah.
Next, we got this pinky unicorn named Fantasia.
4 out of 10. She's okay.
Yeah.
I have Fantasia socks. 4 out of 10 because I like that she's from Great Wolf Lodge because I love Great Wolf Lodge.
Okay. Next, we got Gavin.
Is that a Beanie Boo or a stuffed animal?
He's made by Ty, but he wouldn't count as a Beanie Boo, I guess.
Okay, well, 2 out of 10 because I don't want to be rude. Even though that still is being rude. 4 out of 10. I like that she's a rainbow cat that has a unicorn.
Her name's Heather.
Yeah, I like that she's a rainbow cat that has a unicorn horn, so 4 out of 10.
Zoe's a zebra.
4 out of 10 because she has the same name as me, and she's pink.
Stop giving people like 4s, 10s, and 2s.
Well, what else do you want me to do? I don't like any of the ones it's showing me. Kiki's okay, 6. There, are you happy I did a different number?
Me obsessing over a stuffed animal.
10 out of 10.
What would you actually rate her?
A 2.
What? Zoe, I know you like butter. You're just saying no because I like butter.
No, I really, really don't like butter.
You do.
I promise I don't like butter.
I promise you that you do.
Okay.
Next, we got Binky.
It looks like a meerkat.
It's not.
Well, 6 out of 10 because it looks like a meerkat.
There is a meerkat Beanie Boo. She's one of my dreamies.
You know, 10.
Opal.
Yeah, obviously, you know, 10. 10.
Kind of makes me mad, but okay. Cassidy.
10, because that was originally mine, obviously. The thing that I like about Tabor though is that she has pink thingies. That's what I like.
Yeah.
I'll give it a 4 because it's pink.
I noticed
6.
you don't give odd numbers.
Yeah.
You need to give some odd numbers.
No.
Here's Kiki without a bow.
4 because I like her more with a bow.
I have to agree with you.
10 because that was originally mine.
Yeah.
What's that?
What?
Oh. I like that it's a unicorn, so I'll give it a 4.
You like the pink one more?
Yeah.
A Also, I just noticed I could go play Roblox on my computer.
2, because I don't like him. No offense.
I love my body.
I like that it's pink, so I'll give it a 2 again.
Why don't you give anybody 1?
Because I hate the number
Also,
1.
here's proof I love Slush.
Yeah, obviously you do.
When I was little, I must have wanted Slush really bad.
4, because it's pink.
And look, it's a peekaboo.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
you can put a phone in. My baby girl.
2, because it's pink.
She's literally all pink. Zoe.
Yeah. Remember, I don't like her anymore?
Yeah.
I'll give her a 6 since I used to like her.
I love her fluff on her face. She's grown on me because I love how she looks.
Yeah.
All right, we have 2 more.
2.
Bamboo. And the little whopper.
2.
I like him so much because he looks like Peanut.
Okay, anyways, yeah, 2. So, and then, now, should we do my stuffed animals and you rate them?
I don't really want to rate them, but okay.
Okay.
I'm going to do Beanie Boos then.
Alright.
Because I'm going to be playing Roblox.
Okay. So, I might do some that aren't Beanie Boos, like, just to show you, like, because there's some that I love, obviously, that aren't Beanie Boos. First, we have her.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
She's my baby. She's my baby girl.
Yeah. Okay. Tommy.
I can't see it. Oh, it's a Tommy one?
Yeah.
I'm going to give it a 7.5 because I love cats, but I don't want you to be mad.
I wouldn't be mad even if you gave her a 10.
But I'm going to give him a 7 because the way it kind of looks is a little bit weird.
Yeah. Muffin.
10 out of 10.
Yeah. Now we just throw them on the pillow. Sophie.
Oh, my dad's calling me.
Oh, okay. Her dad's calling.
We'll get back to the video in a second.
Yes, her dad's calling her, so,
You just talk.
okay. Now, answer your dad now. Okay, so now that she's gone, we can talk about mean things about her. Totally. No, I would never. There's nothing mean to say about her. Let's just talk about my cat. Let's just talk about my cat. Oh yeah, just ignore the ghost cat thingy in the background, please. That was for Halloween last year. Maybe even 2 years ago, I'm not sure. My ear itches and my throat itches. Is that bad? I'm not quite sure. Sorry, that was really weird, wasn't it? Also, I know for a fact that wasn't all her Beanie Boos because I remember one. At least one, that she had. She had a sequin owl. You didn't do the sequin owl.
I forgot to, but I know what you rate her.
Yeah, obviously. Okay, so now that we're back, what do you rate this girl?
What are you even talking to them about?
I was talking to them about my cat. And I said how I was going to say mean things about you. No, I actually said, now that she's gone, we can say mean things about her. Totally. And then I said, no, I never would have anything mean to say about her. And then I said, let's look at my cat. But yeah, what do you rate her?
I I rate Sophie a 1. No, I rate her 100.
Yeah, so this is Sophie. Penny loves Sophie.
You can't know.
Yeah.
Which I think they can.
Ginger kitty. Little kitty. Yeah. You know why I love her too. Because I've had her since I was a baby. Yeah. Floppity. No, that's Hoppity. This is Hoppity. What do you rate
You may
Hoppity?
be asking why I didn't show my fennec fox. She's in a really, really special place right now.
No.
Not like she's like dead. She's like in a spot that I just don't want to get her out of right now.
I know some that you did miss though, like the Arctic Fox, Austin.
Yeah, I'll get emotional if I take her out where she is right now. I don't know why. But I just didn't feel like taking her out.
You missed Austin. You missed the Arctic Fox, not the Fennec Fox, but the Arctic Fox.
No, that's a fennec fox.
The white one.
Yeah, it's a fennec fox.
Oh. Then Cancun? Is it Cancun or the...
Yeah, Cancun. That's the one I didn't show because she's in a special spot.
What about the white one?
By the way, she's a Chihuahua.
Oh.
Anyways, I'm gonna get back to rating yours.
Hoppity. I love
I'm gonna
Hoppity.
give her a 7.
I love Hoppity. Rainbow
I
Pop.
need to stop giving people 7. I guess I'll give her a 6. 100. I love my rainbow.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, 17 more hours till the Japan
I'm so sad that you don't like him.
Oh. There's only 17 more hours until the Japan egg.
Yeah. But I've had this is the
We'll be probably making a video about that.
yeah. This is the only giraffe I actually probably like because I've had him since I was really little and he's really special.
Mm-hmm.
We have Wada! Wadas!
I'm gonna give him a 4 because original Waddles is way cuter.
This bear thingy. What do you think of this bear thingy? Penny!
Ooh, egg release. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Yeah. What do you rate him?
A 10.
Actually.
No, I rate him a 2. Because he's weird.
Later!
I rate her a 9.
This thingy. This thingy.
Oh, sorry. I rate him a 10.
Inch. Okay, I still have more. Gotta set up the video and gotta set up the phone. Okay. What do you think of this one?
I love her.
Yeah.
She was originally mine, so
Yeah.
I give her a 10.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Glamour. It's okay, I know you love her.
Yeah.
Obviously.
I give her many stars.
Yeah. I love her too, though, because, like, I have her keychain, and I love her name, Glamour. I love the name Glamour. That's a really cute name. Let me go get... This is a really special Pikachu thingy that my cousin... This is the Pikachu plushie that my cousin gave to me. He's really special, and I love him.
Mm-hmm. Somebody gave me a free pet because I'm on my new account.
Nice. Okay, now I gotta go get another one. We're gonna get Georgie and Floofy. This is Georgie. What do you rate Georgie?
A 1,000,000.
Yeah, same. If you didn't know, I've had him since I was like Literally 2, because I won him at a carnival game. And then Rose. And then we have Floopy! I love Floopy! It's okay, I know you like her.
I give her a 10.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe if I just...
By the way, you guys can friend me on pennie003. It might take me a while to accept your request because my dad's got to update it. But besides that, I'm pennie003.
Or pennie003 alt account.
Yeah, you should put that in the description. I have a question. Is a pickle elf chew toy rare? Can you look it up real quick?
What?
A pickle elf chew toy. I want to ask.
Okay. Hold on, guys. I gotta look up if a pickle chew toy is rare.
Here, let's just end the video here.
No, because I have a couple more Beanie Boos.
No, Zoe, we cannot just end it here and make a part 2.
All right. So we're gonna make a part 2 literally right now.